जो शफक के साथ वो कहता है मुझे मोहब्बत थी पहले तो अपनी उल्फत से, अब मुझे इश्क हो गया है. What drives that ishq? I mean, is it the fact that if a woman is so persistent in her expression of love कि यहाँ तक कि वो suicide भी करने को तैयार है, is that enough cause for a man to sort of say कि हाँ यार मुझे इश्क है?
That's enough to influence a man.
It is.
Yes.
It is.
Enough even to throw him off balance.
Right.
और अपने वैल्यू सिस्टम और अपनी थिंकिंग को भी डिस्टर्ब कर दे. अब अगर हम उसको इस तरह से देखेंगे, नॉट वेरी वेल टू डू, मिडिल टू लोअर क्लास घराना, पूरे जिंदगी का महवर ही उनका पैसे के इर्द गिर्द है. अब वो भी शहान का कभी नहीं था. पैसा was not his driving force. That was Sonia's greed and all.
Always.
So Shahan was very happy with his loving wife and mine, beta घर पे and all of that. So he's just this fish out of water वाली situation में है वो, जहाँ पे सोनिया उसको पुश कर रही है कि भाई तुम कर लो, मैं इजाजत दे रही हूँ. So it's him forming new brain cells that he never had, and he doesn't have many. He's not. That's the way I've played him. Because otherwise, why would somebody be forced into this situation? अगर मैं जाहिद की बात करूँ या समीर की बात करूँ तो वो तो आगे से चपेट लगाएगा कि साइड पे जाके बैठ जाओ, मैंने शादी नहीं करनी.
बिल्कुल.
But he's not those people, and you were very right. Taking ownership of a character that you sign on means that you sign on with all the flaws,
right,
and all the weaknesses.
Right.
He doesn't need to be a person with wisdom and taking all the right decisions.
Of course
उसकी गलतियाँ उसकी हैं, उसका सब कुछ अपना है, आपने सिर्फ उसको convincingly play करना है.
बिल्कुल. That's very true. It's very interesting that you said कि दोनों साथ-साथ चल रहे थे ड्रामे, because I mean the characters are poles apart.
Yeah.
So I mean, did you sort of see what kind of a character you were signing up for? You must have read the script and everything.
Yeah.
Are you happy with your choice?
I'm very happy with the choice, with the performance, with the way we've executed this. I put my heart and soul into it, just like I do with every other character.
Right.
And Sonia has also worked so hard.
Sonia is very good.
Yeah, और इसका बहुत मुश्किल shoot था. Honestly, I'll tell you, I don't want to get into the technical details with both the audience, but मतलब time frames were through the window. हम सुबह 5 बजे तक हमने shots किए हैं, सब कुछ. We were stretched for time. और again, because like you correctly said in the beginning, that from a complex character like Sameer to a simpleton like Shahan, तो वो मेरा हमेशा से criteria यही है कि number one, I look at the character. If it's something that pushes my boundaries, then I'm fine with it, even if the overall story is not magnificent.
Right.
I'll bank on my character.
Right.
If the character is nothing special, then I'll bank on the story.
Right.
कि स्टोरी ऐसी होनी चाहिए जो ऑडियंस ओवरऑल एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. खैर अगर मेरे पास कोई बहुत इस वक्त कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर नहीं है. सो दैट वाज माय चॉइस एंड आई स्टिक टू माय चॉइस. आई डू फील अ लिटिल लेट डाउन बिकॉज इनिशियली व्हेन इट वाज ऑफर्ड टू मी, वो जो सारा कॉपी शॉपी वाला सिलसिला था.
I was coming to that the story, I mean it's an odd story for Pakistan to begin with.
Yeah.
But then it's जुदाई completely. अभी तक उसमें सिर्फ ये फर्क था कि that Hinduism doesn't allow you two wives at the same time, so he had to divorce the first wife to marry the second.
Okay.
And they live in the same house, but he divorces the first wife.
Oh God.
Here
why are they still living in the same house then?
Because she's like Shafak.
Acha.
Janhvi, who's Anil Kapoor's second wife, is. You haven't seen the film?
I don't see it.
Okay.
I don't want to talk too much about this, but I will tell you this कि जब मुझे ऑफर हुआ था from the writer and producer, they did say कि इसकी एक लॉग लाइन या एक प्लॉट लाइन से हमने इंस्पिरेशन ज़रूर ली है कि वो अपने मियाँ को बेच देगी पैसों के लिए. ये एक चीज़ हमने इंस्पिरेशन लिया और उसको अडाप्ट किया है ओवर 25-30 एपिसोड्स. एंड दैट मेक्स सेंस टू मी यार कि आप एक 2-2.5 घंटे की मूवी को कितना ही वो कर लोगे, तो ऑब्वियसली आपका कंटेंट अपना होगा. लेकिन किसी चीज़ से इंस्पिरेशन लेना और उसको अडाप्ट करना, दैट्स फाइन. दैट हैपन्स एवरीवेयर. लाइक I love the color of your top right now. मैं इस इंस्पिरेशन लेके इसकी बेडशीट बनवा लूँ या कर्टन बनवा लूँ, तो मैंने अडाप्ट किया है. लेकिन मैं इसको अगर ऐसा बनाऊँ कि उसका पहला टीजर टीवी पे चले और पूरा मुल्क बोल उठे कि जुदाई जुदाई, तो then you have copied.
Yes.
That I didn't sign on for.
Right.
I never signed on. I never would want to take part in a plagiarized play या इतना जिसको audience यूँ करके पहचान रही है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So that was a real downer for me, and मतलब मेरा ये काम तो नहीं है कि मुझे जो भी ड्रामा ऑफर होगा तो मैं पहले बॉलीवुड की हर बनी हुई फिल्म उठा के देखूं कि इससे कोई चीज़ कॉपी हुई है नहीं हुई. एंड आई एम नॉट अ बॉलीवुड फैन. आई हैव सेड दिस मेनी टाइम्स. मुझे अमिताभ और विनोद खन्ना के ज़माने तक सिनेमा बहुत अच्छा लगता था, और अब जो इंडियन सिनेमा आया है नया, न्यू ब्लड, वो मैं देखता हूँ। ये वाला एरा मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं देखा। आई हैव नो फैसिनेशन विद बॉलीवुड सिनेमा उस तरह से। एंड मोर टू द पॉइंट कि हमारा ड्रामा तो हमेशा यूनिक रहा है।
Absolutely.
हमारे ड्रामे को कभी भी जरूरत नहीं रही किसी चीज को कॉपी करने की।
That is the sad part actually.
Yeah, so that thought never entered my mind. I was fine that ठीक है आपने इंस्पिरेशन ले लिया, then adapt it, ना change it. अब हर एपिसोड पे मुझे ये सुनने को मिल रहा है कि ये भी हुआ था फिल्म में, ये भी हुआ था. Then you've lied to me, and you know I've kind of let my audience down in that way.
But sadly हुआ था, like the whole kitchen setup and the whole. It's
I don't know,
but
man.
let's not get into
yeah,
it.
let's not get into it.
Not get into it. I think you're one of those actors who people trust for their
Yeah.
choices, you know, and they look
Yes.
up to for.
Absolutely.
ये अगर you and somebody like, for example, सबा कमर, आपको पता है कि वो कुछ साइन करेंगी तो उसमें कोई
कुछ देखने
metal
को
होगा.
मिलेगा.
There has to be some
Absolutely.
substance to the role.
Absolutely.
So they don't expect you to
and
do
you know
like.
what really hurt me and sort of why I've distanced myself from talking too much about the project is that when I posted the first teaser on my platform, very excitedly, और जब उसके सामने ये comments आना शुरू हुए हैं, तो I called the producer director who's the same guy, and I said आप देख रहे हैं ये क्या आ रहा है ये? And the response I got was कि ठीक है ना जानी, controversy है, देखेंगे लोग, मजा आएगा, तू क्या कॉपी है? So
They were quite unapologetic about it.
Yeah, I mean, I was like, okay, so then are we owning up to the fact that this is a copy? If you are owning up to the fact, then tell the team and we'll all own up.
Yeah.
That's why I very sarcastically put it on my Instagram story कि ये तो copy निकला. Because knowingly I would have never signed this. But I signed it. So it's whether I didn't do due diligence or not, audience has been let down. The only thing I can, you know, bank on is कि चलो फिर भी मैंने performance दिल से दी है. That's pretty much it.
I don't think they're let down by you at all. I think they're let down by the fact that it's such a blatant copy and nobody kind of sort of, you know.
And why?
There's
हमारा
no need
ड्रामा
for it.
उनसे 100 साल आगे हैं, उनकी फिल्म हमसे आगे, ठीक है.
बिल्कुल.
पर अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को क्यों गंदा किया आपने?
True. Absolutely. What's happening now, Zahid? I mean, ये दोनों तो ड्रामे तो हो गए. You're obviously working on something these days.
Yeah, I am. I'm shooting a new one for AirY.
Okay.
It's tentatively called Faryad. And the play is centered around me, and I'm a hateable guy in that play.
You're a hateable guy.
Yes, I'm playing
So anti-hero.
Anti-hero, yeah.
Okay.
He's a greedy, scum of the earth kind of a person. No moral compass.
Okay.
Nothing of the sort.
Right.
आग लगाता जा रहा है और सबको राख करता चला जा रहा है.
Yikes. Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the rest of the cast?
So this time they've tried a new formula. I have two leading ladies. Both are relatively new. One is Aiza Awan.
Okay.
She's a newcomer. She has done some work before. And the other is Nawal Said. She's also done a little bit of work before. Both very good performers. I was very happy to work with them. And it was a good experience to work with, you know, this is something also I've never done before. I've always had a great actress to you know, bounce also off of.
Yeah.
So this was a good experience. The only thing I can say is वो इतना कमीना है, इतना horrible है वो आदमी. उसमें आप कहीं भी कोई ठीक चीज़ नहीं ढूंढेंगी. So eventually his entire story is a lesson for everybody about things that you can't do and shouldn't do and should never do. So
This brings us to another aspect of our discussion. Zahid, you have a YouTube channel.
I do,
and
yeah.
you do a lot of motivational discussion on your channel. And I think that you are emerging through your channel as a role model.
Sorry, that's my cats.
आप लोग जो देख रहे हैं ये जाहिद की दो छोटी-छोटी kittens हैं,
बिल्लियाँ
बहुत cute, उछल रही हैं नीचे, लेकिन वो उन्होंने पीछे भी कारनामा किया है. So you're emerging as a role model for youth, for the awam who watch you and who your fans are. So how difficult is it to separate the persona? And I know that it's unfair to judge any actor by the roles that they do. But अब हमारा climate और landscape ऐसा हो गया है कि हर actor भी because of social media एक किस्म का activist भी है in his personal life. लोग कहते हैं कि जी यार आप लोग social rights पे बात कर रहे हैं, फिर जाके आप roles ऐसे करते हैं जिसमें आप लोगों को दिखा रहे हैं कि abuse कैसे करो अपने power को और लड़कियों को अगवा कैसे करो और harass कैसे करो, फिर आप जाके हाई कर रहे हैं protest पे, तो hypocrisy है. And I know it's wrong. I know that's not fair. But how do you see it? How complicated has it become now to maintain that persona in your personal life and professional life?
Yeah, the way I'll answer that is, and this is where my pursuit of finding myself through religion has brought me is that nothing is final and nothing is definitive. So ये बहुत जज्बाती और एक jumping to conclusions वाली approach है कि अब तो आप religious हो गए तो अब आप ये क्यों कर रहे हो? कुछ भी फाइनल नहीं है, सब जर्नी है, सब चल रहा है। अगर आज मैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में अल्लाह से करीब होना चाह रहा हूँ, अपने दीन को समझना चाह रहा हूँ, अपने सच को समझना चाह रहा हूँ, सो दैट्स अ प्रोसेस दैट आई हैव स्टार्टेड, जस्ट लाइक आई स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अ हाउस। तो आप मुझे ये तो नहीं कहेंगे ना कि यार घर भी बना रहे हो, तुम फ्लैट में भी रह रहे हो, जब घर बन जाएगा तो बस उस घर में शिफ्ट हो जाना, अभी तुम सड़क पे बैठो, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा।